Now just look at this stuff, it's horrible. It's liverwort. Produces spores, they germinate. The spores are spread by water splashes and it can go onto soil, compost in your pots, on the patio, on the pathway, and on there it can be really slippy and dangerous. But there's a really easy way of dealing with it. You don't need expensive chemicals. You just use something like bicarbonate of soda. You only use a small amount. You just scatter it over the liverwort like this. And then you leave it for a couple of days. And if you look in the other half of the pot, that was treated the day before yesterday. The whole lot's turning brown, it dies off. As it dries out, it just goes really flaky, a bit like tobacco, and then it just blows away in the wind, completely dead. And the beauty of it is, it's perfectly safe to use this stuff, whether it's whether there's children around, wildlife, pets. It's perfectly safe, no problem at all. And you only need a really small amount. I mean, we're looking at something like a few grams per square metre. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.